The index page actually shows an overview of what our system is all about, just a brief description. So let's log in from there. And because we don't have an account, let's create one. And the form actually supports our input validation. It prevents attacks like cross-site scripting. So let's create our account, and I'm gonna go with Ndongo username, and it's actually gonna give us a pop-up once we register to actually show that the registration is successful. So let's sign in from there, entering the same credentials we used to sign in to create an account. Let's go with the password and click continue, which is gonna direct us into the home page, where we're gonna have some drop downs being populated from JSON columns. So let's go with Karen, and we're gonna go with Karen. For the classification, gonna go with standard, building type a townhouse, and to estimate the price, gonna go at 150,000. Let's view the available listings. So let's select from the drop down Karen, townhouse, and boom, there is it, our 150,000 townhouse.